Hello, I'm Omar Surla of Isaiah Paul Plant Shop. Today, I'm going to show three good materials for bonsai that are very good for beginners. The number one plant that I choose among the top three is the ficus. We have different kinds of ficus here in the Philippines. They're all available in the gardens. We have the Chinese banyan, the different colors. This is a golden ficus. And ficuses are good because they're very easy to grow. They do not require a lot of water. You could work on the branches very easily. You don't have to have that fear of cutting off the branches because they're very easy to work on. Second tree that I choose for bonsai material or bush are Fukian teas. These Fukian teas are also available on the garden, fast growing, and they're also very easy to wire. The third species that I choose for bonsai material and that's good for beginners, the Bougainvilleas. It could be found on our ornamental garden. Sometimes people just tend to throw this thing away. Why do I choose a bougainvillea? First, it doesn't require a lot of water. So you could go out for how many days without tending to water the plant. Another thing, they're also very easy to wire. And you could finish the material in less than a year.